Here is Marvin, and last time we fixed the motor we noticed that something was wrong here, and it's actually this piece here which gives problems. It actually can go up and down. What happened is that, oops, what happened is that I have here something that stops underneath here, this thing, which stops it from going down, and I had to put a plate on here, but there's a friction, and the friction made that it can go all the way in. And actually I should have done it like here, where the thing is on the top, and because it's on the top it can turn with the bearing and don't cause friction. So we have to do the same here as I have here, and that should fix things. Okay, so what needs to be done, here are two bolts which actually pull this piece against each other. There's a bearing here, and this is held with screws, one screw here and another one there. So I need, and there's another bearing here, so I need to change this one here. As you can see, the bearing is worn out. There's a hole and it moves, so this hole needs to be made bigger that the bearing can fit in here. And I need a plate on the bottom so the bearing can't fall through, and I need a longer axle here so I can put this one there. I ordered new axles, so I'll replace both of them. At the meantime, I saw that this one can move, which is not good as well, so I need to fix this here. I have to cut a piece of here, we'll cut a piece of here, and I need to fix this that I can put a bolt in again, because it's bending and stuff like that. That'll be it. I'll start with removing the motor. because these thingies, which I love and hate at the same time, didn't want to get off. I decided to remove the whole mowing device from the mower from Marvin, and just work detached, which is going to be easier because I want to weld here and there as well. This is one of the first things I welded, so don't look at the quality. It's really, really badly welded. So what needs to be done? So you see here, here there was a ball bearing. It got out, wasn't good enough. So I had to do stuff and change things. And actually now I know, well, actually knew already, but now I know that you have to have your ball bearings as far away as possible, because the load is here, so close to the load as possible, and here as well. So here is a ball bearing now, here is a ball bearing here, and this thing has to be here on top, so it can't go this way, and here we have another one that can't go this way, and that we can just position this one on the height we want. Now the reason why the engine crashed, not sure you can see it properly, but I had a problem like this one going too low, so I put this one on here, and because the ball bearing hole here as well, and then I welded on the plate, and the plate just simply got worn out, and it's completely in here and completely got stuck. So that's why the motor broke, because it had to give too much power. So what we're gonna fix is we're gonna leave this as it is. We're gonna twist, because now the ball bearing is going in this way. We're gonna put a plate on here and put the ball bearing in there this way. I'm probably gonna put a plate on here as well. We're gonna replace the two axes. Yeah, I'm gonna strengthen this, because as you can see here, which is the thing which glides in here, I always have to think about it. So this one glides in here. Yeah, as you can see, this one is completely bent, so it's yeah, that's because we can go too high here. So I'm going to put a plate in here, and I'm going to strengthen this one here too, so I can put another screw in here. And because it's going this far, and then when it goes like this, I'm going to cut off this part and this part from this here, which is actually working pretty nice, this one now. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah. No. This is not correct. Here it is. This was the old one for the old motor. So this one is far more bent, as you can see. And this one needs to be cut off, because it's not really fitting anymore. It's just too difficult. But further on, this one is fine. I also need to check why this is loose. Don't like this, that this is loose. But this works. I'm pretty happy with the tensioning system. I just need one here, which I originally had, but as you can see, it weakened and broke. That's working with aluminium, I think. It's very weak. So let's get started. Let's try to get these things out in a better way.